My dearest Lois,
The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeast Hillsborough County, eastern Pasco County, and western Polk County until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, moving northeast at 97 miles per hour. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and grapefruit-sized hail. Source, radar indicated and law enforcement reported threat. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. This severe thunderstorm will be near the Cold Creek State Park around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage, along with large hail and damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Go to Geico, get a quote, and you could say...